Hello everyone, welcome to the task for the lesson 1, which is the variables and data types. And we are going to have some simple tasks as this is the first lesson. So let's create the assets for that. So first we are going to create our scene, which is going to be our lesson 1 task. And inside our lesson 1 task, we are going to need our scripts. So let's create our first script, which is a simple greeting. And then we are going to have a countdown timer script and a key tracker script. And finally, the key tracker. So all of them are going to be simple scripts. So I just create a test game object here and attach all three of those scripts. Now let's go inside Visual Studio. Let's start creating those scripts. So inside our greeting, let's put it inside the correct namespace. So lesson 1 tasks. So inside our simple greeting, we are just going to test how the variables are shown and are they parsing correctly or not. So let's create a private string and we call this player name. Inside our start, we'll set our player name to be equal to Alex. And we'll just call the debug.log here. So hello player. And similarly, let's go to the countdown timer script. So in our countdown timer script, which is the task 2, where we create a timer. I forgot the namespace. And that. Let's add it here. So let's create a serialized field and load countdown time. And for testing, we are just having it short, which is the 1F. And, inside our update, we are going to update our countdown time minus equal to time.delta time. And if our countdown time is less than 1, then we are just going to call the times up, which is the debug.log. Now let's go to our final script, which is the key tracker. So uh, what are the tasks? Create a script with private bool has key. So let's put it in the namespace first. Private bool has key, and by default it is going to false. And pickup key and use key. So we are going to need private void pickup key. So when we are picking up the key, the hash key is going to be true and the private void use key. So if we have the key, then we are going to use it to unlock the door. And inside our update, we are going to pick up the key. So why is it not correct? Okay. Not working correctly. So let's add the update and we'll need two methods, one to pick up the key and one to use the key. So again, autocomplete finished most of the things. And what are the names? Lesson 01, lesson namespace. Wrong namespace. And finally, this key tracker. Lesson. So that's it for the scripts. Let's go inside Unity, and as we already attach all the three of the scripts, let's test. So our greeting is going to show, and then our countdown timer is going to show, which is the time's up. Now, if you want to use the key, we won't be able to use it, so no key to use. So we'll need to pick up the key, and then we are going to use it. So as you can see, key used to unlock the door. And next up, we'll use the key again. So it is going to say no key there. And again, we'll pick up the key. So key picked up. And we'll use the key to unlock the door. So that was it for the tasks. Let's go to the next chapter.